hydrogen is an extremely important building block in modern chemical industry. If we cannot use hydrogen molecules for chemical reactions, thousands of things are going to be taken away from us. Gasoline, plastic, modern medicine, and even food. But hydrogen molecules are so stable that we have to break them into more reactive atoms for chemical reactions. To do this, we have to use high temperature, high pressure, and also a very expensive catalyst, for example, platinum. In other words, your wedding ring. So, is it possible to do this in an easy way? Yes. Working with my collaborators, I developed a new method of breaking hydrogen molecules at room temperature and atmosphere pressure using a catalyst made of aluminum nanoparticles that are tens of thousands times cheaper than platinum. The only trick is shining light on it. It turns out that aluminum nanoparticles are perfect at transferring energy from light to hydrogen molecules to break them. And this is an important step towards doing inexpensive chemistry. With this method, we can save platinum for jewelry and let aluminum do the job.